Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know there is a very important update that your results are out and hence we are making this video, that is the actual percentile cutoffs of all the colleges ये हम लोगों ने बनाया है and I'll share that with you as well. But मैं पहले थोड़ा explain कर देता हूँ. Congratulations to all of our students who have scored really well in the exam. नेम रिवील मैं बाद में करूंगा बिकॉज बहुत सारे मैसेजेस अभी भी आ रहे हैं. विल रिवील देयर नेम्स लेटर. बट एज ऑफ नाउ व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज टू फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कट ऑफ्स क्या क्या रह सकते हैं. एग्जैक्ट परसेंटाइल बता रहा हूं बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आपको परसेंटाइल पता चल गया है. सो दिस इज द पीडीएफ ऑफ द एक्चुअल कट ऑफ्स ऑफ एमबीए सीईटी जो डीटी पे अपलोड होता है. लास्ट ईयर से आप वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. दीज आर द कट ऑफ्स बेस्ड ऑन दैट. However, there is very important announcement, that is MSc Finance का course, MSc Finance and MHRD का course we will be launching this Tuesday. That would be the most comprehensive course. I repeat, that would be most comprehensive course. We will be announcing it on Tuesday. Make sure that you stay tuned. बहुत ही अच्छा course रहने वाला है. Now let us coming back to the topic about the cutoffs. So this is JBIMS का कट ऑफ राउंड 1, राउंड 2, राउंड 3 so that you get an estimate. अब ये डायरेक्टली स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिए हम लोगों ने कट ऑफ के पीडीएफ्स में. G open state, this is G open state. S stands for the state level seats. ठीक है. So cap round 1 का कट ऑफ लास्ट ईयर फॉर JBIMS was 99.94. cap round 2 का was 99.93 and cap round 3 का it was 99.92. So final cutoff of JBIMS goes down till 99.92 for open category. Similarly, if you talk about, let's say for example, अभी बात करते हैं EWS की. EWS was 99.87 in round 1. अब EWS आपको round 2 में नहीं दिखेगा, particularly because EWS का कोई सीट vacant ही नहीं बचता है round 2 तक. So unless and until there is a seat vacant, तभी उसका कट ऑफ पता चलता है, वरना नहीं पता चलता है. So EWS consider your cutoff as 99.87 for JBIMS. ठीक है. Similarly, अगर बाकी का देखें TFWS का तो cutoff is 99.93. जो ऊपर मेंशन्ड है, these are the ranks. Ranks अभी तक आपको पता नहीं है. Ranks कब पता चलेंगे आपको? When the state merit list, final merit list is out, तब आपको ranks पता चलते हैं. However, in round 1, JBIMS closed at 47th rank. In round 2, it closed at 55th rank. I'm talking about the general category. Moving ahead, sir, this was about JBIMS. Moving ahead on SIDNEM की बात करते हैं. SIDNEM, that is SIMSRI. Again, open category का cut off for round 1 was 99.75. Round 2 का was 99.74, 220 rank. Round 3 was 99.61. Now listen to me very, very carefully. A lot of you might feel disheartened कि SIDNEM closed at 99.61 in round 3. But after round 3 there is also a round named VCAP या जिसे A cap भी कहते हैं, that is against cap या फिर vacant cap round. उसमें कट ऑफ्स और ज्यादा कम होते हैं. You will get that in our last year का वीडियोस की कट ऑफ्स और भी गिरते हैं. ठीक है. But as far as the centralized admission process round 3 is concerned, the SIDNEM का कट ऑफ goes down till 99.61 for open. As far as EWS is concerned, it goes up to 99.46. It goes up to 99.46. If you want this PDF, make sure that you join the WhatsApp group that is given in the comment description. वहां पे ये डिटेल हम लोग PDF भेज देंगे. Moving ahead, let's see. अब just एक observation भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. अगर आप JBIMS देखते थे ना सर, if you would have looked at JBIMS के hardly कोई सीट्स बचते हैं in cap 2 और cap 3. That is why you will find बहुत छोटा सा इसका रो दिया है because बाकी कैटेगरी के सीट्स बचे ही नहीं थे. As far as SIDNEM is concerned, you will see all the categories directly coming down. Moral of the story that हर कैटेगरी के कुछ ना कुछ सीट्स वेकेंट बचते हैं in cap round 1, cap round 2, cap round 3 as well as in VCAP. So nothing to worry about. You will get a seat. Don't worry. ठीक है. और एक फिर से मैं बता दूं, if you are scoring 98 plus percentile, 99 plus percentile or even 97 percentile, we are launching a very comprehensive course, most comprehensive course on JBIMS, MSc Finance and MHRD, where there will be lectures as well, group discussion, personal interviews, so on and so forth. Details will be out by Monday or Tuesday. Moving ahead, sir, let's see. Cap round 1, Wellinger की बात करते हैं. Wellinger cap round 1 for open goes till 350 rank, 99.58, and it drops to 99.29 in cap round 3 and still goes down in VCAP as well. ठीक है. So cap अगर मैं Wellinger की बात करूं, 99.29 आप पकड़ के चल सकते हो कि cap round 3 में आपको मिल जाएगा. And as far as EWS is concerned, 98.8 tak it goes down. Okay, EWS 98.8, you still have a chance for Wellinker. Moving ahead, sir. Let's talk about one of the most important colleges, that is Pumba. Pumba की अगर मैं बात करूं 98.97. Now यहाँ पे change हो गया. If you see, there is S here, G open S, and here it is G open H. H stands for Home University. So as far as these colleges are concerned, JBIMS, Sydenham as well as Wellinker, these have state level seats. Pumba has Home University and other than Home University seats as well as all India seats. Therefore, it is written as H. So G open H 98.97, Home University cutoff 98.85 in round 2. Round 3 it is 98.68. So that is about the Pumba. Okay? Moving ahead, let's see. Then you have CUEP, which is a college which is really doing well. CUEP ka cutoff goes down to 99.05 in round 1 and drops to 98.63 in round 3. CUEP still has state level seats. ठीक है, स्टेट लेवल सीट्स होते हैं, उसमें होम यूनिवर्सिटी एंड अदर देन होम यूनिवर्सिटी का बाइफिकेशन नहीं है. पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी पीपल हैव एन एज इन पुम्बा, but everyone has an equal chance in CUEP because they have state level seats. Moving ahead, sir, let's see. अब बात करते हैं Xavier's की, because Xavier's is a minority college. You will have this kind of cutoffs: 98.90 Home University, 98.44 and 98.28. This is particularly for non-minority. This is particularly for non-minority. This college has only two types of seats, that is minority seats and non-minority seats. Minority seats का cutoff यहाँ पे mention नहीं है in the PDF. Moving ahead, let's see. Let's talk about other colleges. SIES college 98.95 for non-minority seats, round 1. Round 2 98.85 again, and round 3 is 98.66. The rest of the colleges are self-explanatory. You may take a screenshot. Chetna 98.51, 98.26 and 98.07. If you want this PDF, you will get it on the WhatsApp group. Make sure that you join that. And these are the, you may take a screenshot as well. यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है. Cap round 1 Indira colleges का cutoff. And then you have Lala Lajpat Rai, again a minority college. Rizvi, again a minority college. And Thakur College, again a minority college. So these are the cutoffs of the some of the colleges which we have mentioned in the PDF. Make sure that आप comment करें to know your percentile पे क्या college मिल सकता है. We'll reply that. This PDF will be available across different WhatsApp groups of CrossQ. That is second. And again, just a reminder that we will be launching one of the most comprehensive course for MSc Finance and MHRD. Last but not the least, even if you have scored a bit low than the JBIMS cutoff, your Sydenham cutoff, या Wellinker cutoff mentioned in this PDF, let me last time remind you, please understand there is a VCAP, or it is also known as ACAP, against cap. The cutoff are very low in these rounds. उसके cutoff बाहर नहीं आते हैं, but I am just telling you कि उसके cutoffs और नीचे जाते हैं. So cap round 3 के cutoffs के और नीचे cutoff जाएगा in VCAP and ACAP, but these are not publicly available. Hence, we couldn't mention it here. Okay, all the very best, guys. The CT results are out. I'll be seeing you in next video. Thank you so much. Till then, take care and bye-bye.